How to remove background from videos in Nanobanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Nanobanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all editing features. Click on Start Editing to open the workspace. From the available tools, select Image Edit. Next, upload the image you want to edit by clicking the Add Image button. Once the photo is uploaded, you can enter a prompt in the main prompt field, such as remove background or make background transparent. Click on the Generate Now button and wait for the AI to process your request. With a single click, the AI will automatically erase the background, leaving your subject isolated. Repeat this process for multiple images, removing backgrounds one by one and saving each edited image. After editing all your images, use your preferred video editing software to combine these background-free images into a video. This allows you to create a video effect where all subjects have clean, transparent, or custom backgrounds. While Nanobanana.ai doesn't currently remove backgrounds from videos directly, it gives you the tools to prepare images and build professional-looking videos with background-free visuals. Now you know how to remove backgrounds from videos in Nanobanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.